Hello guys, this is Gokul from Independent Scientist. Today I have taken speaker from Zebronics. Its model is Zebronics Down 40. Its price around 1300 rupees. I have received this one from Amazon, right? The looking is good. I have purchased this one for this RGB, right? Because it's glowing perfectly. That's why I have purchased this Bluetooth speaker. I am using this Bluetooth speaker for past 6 days. The working is good. There is no issue for this. Now I am opening this one. So what are the components given here? We need to check. So first of all, they have given a user manual. I think it's an QR based user manual. So we need to check with the mobile. Then there is a two pair of cables. There is an aux cable, then USB to type C cable is given here. So these are the two cables from Zebronics. Then I am opening these Bluetooth speaker. I think these speaker having the special unique function in its RGB, right? So I am opening this one. Let me check how was it. Wow, the speaker is too good. I am using this one for past 4 to 5 days. So the performance is good because there is a bass radiator in back side for this speaker, and in the front side there is a metal grill. Then there will be a 8 watts Bluetooth speaker. Then there is a rope given here for the portable function. Then the button functions is here completely for increasing the volume, decreasing the volume, mode button, and power off, power on. These are the type of functions given here, right? So we need to check what is the sound quality, because the RGB is good, everything is good, but we need to check the sound quality. Before that, kindly I have attached the product link in description. So kindly check what is the current price of this speaker, because I have purchased this one for 1200 rupees. If it's the same price, you can buy it because it worth the price, because the Bluetooth version is 5.1. You can connect it with dual pairing, two mobiles with the same Bluetooth speaker. Then here is a TWS function. You can able to connect with another this type of speaker to same connection, right? So these are the connection for these Bluetooth speaker, right? So it customize these Bluetooth speaker, right? It have the budget and useful things. So we need to purchase it for this specification. Instead of that, we need to check what is the sound and bass quality of this speaker. So now I am turning on the speaker. Let's check what is the what is the color of these RGB, right? So I am now power oning these Bluetooth speaker. Wow, it's connected. Yeah, this is the RGB from this speaker. It's very colorful. I think the outer case is a fiber plastic, I think so. So fiberglass like that material given here. So the color is too good. What an attractive one. Yeah. Super one. I think I like this one because kids also will like this. If we use the speaker in our house, our kids will enjoy while going these LED bulbs, right? So what I do now, I have paired my mobile with this Bluetooth speaker. So just we need to check what is the sound quality here. So I'm just playing the song. Let me check what is the quality of this sound, right? So I'm playing the song. Wow, beat is perfect. Everything is good. I think the bass is not good because if you are using the speaker for indoor, the bass will be like the table vibrating. But if you are using this speaker for outside, but it's not worth right? So we need to use this speaker inside the home, and in a table we can able to feel the bass. But the sound is loud. There is no issue. We can use it on our home, inside the home. But if we use this speaker outside the home, it will not produce huge sound, because just 8 watt speaker is given here. So the sound is low in outer side. Inside it will produce huge sound, right? So these are the sound of this Bluetooth speaker. So it's good. I think perfect one. Guys, here different type of RGBs provided, right? We need to change the mode of these RGBs, because if I press double tap of mode button, the LED will changing its mode like glowing style and colors. We can able to change it. So we can able to change the RGB color, right? So these are the RGB function in this speaker. We can able to having the function to turn off this RGB. If we not like to glow this LED, we can option to turn off this LED, right? So there is an option to turn off the LED by pressing the mode button twice. There is totally 10 type of mode. In the final mode, 10th mode, it is completely off, right? These are the LED modes, RGB modes in this speaker. Guys, we need to check what is the sound quality and bass quality. I have checked it, but we need to check what is the call quality. I mean, I need to call someone and ask how was the sound or the receiving from mic to clear. So just I'm calling my friend Tamil and ask him how was the bass, what do you mean, how was the sound quality, noise is producing or not. I need to check. That's why I'm connecting this mic with this speaker and let me check what is the response from him. So I am
The
connecting
person
this
you
speaker.
have called is speaking to someone else.
Hello.
Oh, yeah,
Tamil, I have recently a Bluetooth speaker from Amazon. So I need to check what is the sound quality. Can you explain me clearly reachable?
yes, it's clearly reachable.
There is an issue or what do you mean? There is any noise or completely clearly receiving?
Some noise disturbing. Yes, it's not 100%. It's around 80%.
80% is clear, right?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Tamil. That's why I'm asking you. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Guys, I hope the Tamil said that it's around, what do you mean, it's around 80% is clear, but the 20% is noisy, right? Because the Bluetooth speakers have a light amount of microphone that is not a huge in quality. So we can speak and they should understand what we speaking, right? So the call function is good, that there is no issue for in the call function. So the call function is also nice, there is no issue. Guys, the main function is the button controls, right? We need to check what are the controls given here, because there is an plus, minus and mode function, then there is an power. These are the total item given here. If we press the plus icon for single time, the songs will take to next. If we press the plus icon for long time, it will increase the volume of the speaker. Then pressing the minus, we increase the downwards of volume. If we single press, the song will automatically change. There is mode function for changing the USB to aux, then FM, SD code, everything, right? FM. So these are the function of mode button. Then the final button is power, right? So this power button is used to turn on and turn off the speaker. These are the button controls of the speaker. Guys, there is an TWS option present in the speaker, because if we buy two speakers, we can able to connect in between them, because like a earbud. So the left and right combination will be here. So if we placed any song in our mobile, so it will produce huge sound, and left and right combination is good. This way we can able to connect these TWS mode. If we purchased those two speaker, it's price around 2400, right? So I try to don't buy that speakers, right? Try to buy a single speaker is enough, I think so. If we need that speaker, kindly buy a stereo speaker. Guys, I have attached the product link in description, and there will be a Zebronics Bluetooth speaker collection. You can view there what are the speakers available, and Zebronics you can pick what the good color or what you mean good sound output. So you can pick there. I have attached the link in description. Kindly visit there. Guys, the final thing is the charging and playback of the speaker, right? There is an port function is given. If you open these rubbers, there will be an charging ports like Type C, USB, micro SD and aux. We need to connect it on the Type C. Once we connect it, there will be an LED, right? So there will be a red color LED is glowing. Once it get fully completed for charging, it will automatically off. It's take around 3 hours of time to completely charge these Bluetooth speaker. We need any type of adapter. There is no issue. If you are using power adapters, that's not an issue. But you need to connect with the Type C cables only. No issue. If you are using any type of Type C cable, it's not an eligibility criteria. But we need to connect with the Type C. It needs at least 3 hours to completely charge these Bluetooth speaker. Once it's get completed, you can play up to 15 hours from brand side, but it's not a true one. If we turned off these RGBs and kept in a 70% of volume, it will produce around 9 hours to 10 hours backup. If we have maintained at 100% of volume, turning off these type of RGB, it will play around 6 to 8 hours of playback, right? Okay guys, thank you. I think I have completely explained this Bluetooth speaker. It's having a warranty around 1 year, so you need to visit Zebronics service center nearby you, then you can claim it the warranty through the invoice given by Amazon. These are the warranty claim of this speaker, so not an issue. You can go for it conformly. So I prefer you to buy this speaker. If you are looking for an RGB and attractive speaker, this is the right phone for you, right? Thank you guys. I hope in this video I have completely explained about this speaker. I hope this video will enjoy you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button, and if you need more videos, subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notifications. If you need to buy this speaker, I have attached the link in description. Visit that, check the price, and go forward to buy this speaker. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.